Hey, what's up, Tron holder? It's a really great news for all of you, my brothers. So this time you can see here 2.33% they will take profit, and absolutely, my friend, I can't expect this from Tron to they will wake up because all holders say this, my friends, to Tron is going to be die completely go in the garbage. But definitely, my friend, I am a holder also today. Now I cannot say it, I cannot see, my friend, the bad comments, the bad, my friend, or reviews about, my friend, this time Tron. But I'm so excited, my friends, to they will wake up after a very long time. And every holder who invests, my brothers, especially in Tron, especially in those days, so I will give you a good news, my brothers, to congratulations. This time Tron is absolutely take a very good profit. In last 24 hour, 2.23% they profit now, my brother. And I hope they will hit 0.1 USD dollar just in only tonight, my brother. This is possible tonight if they will hit, my brother, 5% profit now. So okay, this is possibility they will take a 5% profit. Absolutely, my friend, because a lot of coin, my friend, take a 5% profit. So I hope this is also possible to TRX is also take a good profit now. I hope, my brother, this is last 24 hour chart. So you can see, my brother, absolutely my prediction is going to be positive now. There is a 70% chance so they will wake up and they will give you a profit. So why you miss this opportunity for urgent time, my brother? You can see here they will take a very good profit now. My friend, they will make a 3 triangle, and the first triangle you can see, my friend, absolutely possible if they will my friends, give you a 5% profit. And the second triangle, absolutely, my friend, they will already hit it now. And the third triangle you can see they will dumps down. So if they will dumps down, so they cannot hit the resistance line, my brother. I hope they will completely end the profit now. I hope, my brother. So kindly, if you have any plan to invest more, so don't invest. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. See you next time, Tron holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and update videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.